In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a premium project listing on the 8min platform. Before we proceed, please be sure that your wallet is connected to the same blockchain that you want your listing and NFT collection to be created on. The network you use to create the project listing must be the same as the network you use to create the collection in your media manager. First, visit the 8min platform and click on the Projects button in the header section. Then choose Create Premium Project. Enter all the requested information about your project like project name, website, profile picture, etc. As you can see, we have already filled in all the necessary information and are now going through all the fields and explain them. First, you must upload your banner and profile images, set the project name, and write a project description. After that, you have to fill in your website link. If you don't have a website, you can put a link to your project social media channel. Under the website, there is an optional field where you can place a link to your project YouTube video if you have one. If your marketing needs require your projects to be private, just click on this box and your listing will no longer be visible within the 8min platform. Right now, we are not going to use this feature. Now, you have to select a link for your project. This will appear in the URL address. For example, our project name is Listing Tutorial, so we set the link to Listing Tutorial. Keep in mind that you have to use only lowercase letters and hyphens. When you finish with the project information, you must set the minting information. In the first two fields, you must pick the dates when your minting will start and end. After that, in the second two fields, you must set the times when your minting will start and finish. When you're done, click Next. Now, you have to set your project's blockchain and set if you require your participants to have at least a specific amount of Ethereum, BNB or Matic in their wallets to be able to participate. You can also require the participants to follow a specific Twitter account or join a specific Discord server or both. We are going to use Polygon chain and we want only people who have at least 20 Matic in their wallets to be able to participate. We are going to use a Polygon chain, so I will select it from the drop-down menu. And we want only people who have at least 20 Matic in their wallets to be able to participate. When you fill the requested amount, make sure you first mark the numbers with your mouse, then hit the delete button on your keyboard, and then write the amount you wish. You can set a requirement for your participants to hold an NFT for a specific collection to be able to register for whitelisting. Click on the Add Collection button and fill the requested information. You can add more than one collection. Right now, we are not going to use this function, so I will remove it from this button here. Now, from the drop-down menu, you must select the NFT collection address you created in your media manager. If you don't see it here, click the refresh button and it will appear. If you don't create your NFT collection address yet, you can do it by clicking the link here. After that, you can set up Twitter and Discord requirements. Click on Twitter's checkbox to turn the requirement on and then hit the Connect button. Authorize the app and copy the PIN code. Next, return to the 8min platform and click Verify button. Paste the code and click Confirm. Click on Discord's checkbox to turn the requirement on and then hit the Connect button. You must authorize the app, close this tab, and then click the Verify button. First, you need to add our bot to your Discord server. Select the server and click Continue. When it's authorized, close this tab and return to your listing. Select your server from the drop-down menu and enter an invitation link for it. When you're ready, click on the test button. Now, you must set the row requirement. If you want only people who have a specific row in your server to be able to participate, you have to select it from the drop-down menu. Otherwise, select everyone. When you're done, click Next. You can protect your project listing with a 6-digit PIN code, so only those who know it can participate. Also, you can set a maximum number of people to register for your listing. When you're done with this step, click Next. Step 4 is for privacy settings. We set the recommended as default, but the decision on what settings to use is all yours. In the final step, you should first select the selection method. If you want to initiate a first came first served minting campaign without a raffle and whitelisting, just select Quick Mint and then Publish. You also have to disable the raffle function within your media manager. If you want to initiate a whitelisting raffle, you must select Raffle and continue with the settings. First, you must select a registration period. The registration period should be before the minting start, and during this period, your participant will register for the whitelisting raffle. Now, you have to select the available whitelisting spots. This is the number of winners you wish to select for your raffle. One whitelisting spot is equal to one winner. Next, enter the status messages that both winners and non-winners will see. These are our example texts. Use the preview button to see how your project page will look after publication. Please be sure to set up your project listing correctly, as once published, you won't be able to make any further changes on your project listing. When complete, click the Publish button.